Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your RAC account from your desktop. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar, click there and type in rac.co.uk like this and hit enter. Or you can just simply search for RAC login on Google itself, and you can see on the first result of Google you can see the login page of rac.co.uk. Just click there and you will be landed on the same page as this one. Now this is the login page of RAC, but to get here from the home page, you can see the home page over here. Now to log into your RAC account from your home page, you can see the My RAC login over here. Simply click there, and now you will be on the same site as this one. And let's close this. And now to log in to your RAC account, choose either you want a breakdown and membership account or a car insurance account. But to log into your any of these accounts, the procedure is same. Now let's continue with the breakdown and membership. Just click on this one, and after that you will be required to enter your email address over here and your password over here. Then after, click on the login option to sign into your RAC account from your computer, or if you forgot your password, just simply click on forgot your password over here, and then you'll be taken to a procedure to reset your password. Or if you have not yet created an account on RAC, just simply click on register over here on the left side to go to the sign up process of My RAC account. And there guys, this is how you log into your RAC account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.